Okay, but help me assess the impact of the higher tariffs announced for India vis-a-vis as what was being expected, especially on the key sectors that will be directly impacted with these higher tariffs. How would you look at, say, a textile, for instance? Pharma again continues to be lurking under some kind of uncertainty. How are you looking at key sectors that will be impacted?
So, textiles, Bangladesh has its own problems. Pakistan could benefit, but the trade differential between the neighbors and us is about 6% currently. Of course, plus penalties, it becomes difficult. But it would get impacted to a certain extent, right? I think $5 to $6 billion kind of a cut is what we are looking at. But the elephant in the room is not the trade this thing that has been put in. I think worrying would be the fact if he were to impose that 500% tariff that would go into play if India were to you know uh, continue buying oil, which we have indicated which we will be doing, and they are talking of raising tariffs on further sanctions on Russia. So, keeping all these things in mind, these tariffs, I don't think they are going to impact our economy too much.
Okay.
The only thing is, that if the CADSA is applied on India, which is a far off thing, that will be detrimental to our Indian economy.
So, Vinit, but will you say this 25% tariff on India is the worst case scenario, and how long will the markets continue to take to price that in really?
So I think that has already been priced in. And
Okay.
when you're postponing the tariff date by another 7 days, what are you telling the markets? And then you're going to come to India to negotiate on August 25th. So I think if you see the body language from both these factors, I think that the tariffs will still get postponed by another week. And maybe possibly beyond August 25th also. So, come October, I think this entire nonsense of the tariffs will die down because he's getting a tremendous flack in the US. And the MAGA story in Europe has changed from Make America Great Again to Make America Go Away.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.